Generally, you can invest your resources into silver in three ways: silver bullion and coins, silver bars, and exchange trade funds, or ETFs. The easiest is to purchase silver bullion specifically. Coin and valuable metal merchants offer silver bullion both face-to-face and in digital transactions over the web. You can go to any place from 1 ounce to a 1,000-ounce bar, decently and promptly in the silver market. The benefit of bullion is that once you have it, its value is entrenched and matches the silver marketplace. Silver price is historically more volatile than the price of gold, in that the value can change rapidly. In other words, the price of gold will rise, where based on historical volatility, the silver price would be expected to rise by a higher percentage than the gold price. The drawback is that merchants charge markups to offer you silver, and on the off chance that you need to trade out your bullion later, the merchant potentially would give you a price that does not match the overarching price of the market. Meanwhile, buying silver bars has also been proven to be an excellent tactic in preserving long-term wealth. As an investor, you should firstly be sure to determine the right size and type of silver bars used as a primary investment tool. Silver bars come in various sizes and weights, while most bars sell in troy ounces in increments of 1 ounce, 5 ounce, 10 ounce, 1 kilogram, 100 ounce, and 1,000 ounce bars. Some mints sell them in fractional or gram sizes. There's no right or wrong weight in purchasing silver bars, as this is a personal choice. Generally speaking, investors who choose to purchase a large bar find that it gets them the most bang for their buck. For the purchase of smaller sized silver bars, it's easier to liquidate. Now, let's look at how silver ETFs work. When you buy gold and silver physically backed by ETFs, you do not possess the physical metal, but you own a paper representation. With respect to the ETFs, for every share you buy, you own an ounce of silver. A custodian, usually by large banks, stores the actual metal. The share-to-metal correlation erodes the longer you hold the shares. The fund must sell silver, for example, periodically to pay for expenses, which decrease the amount of silver allocated to each share. Silver exchange rate is at 1% to 2% the cost of gold. It's difficult to consider silver as a genuine valuable metal compared to gold. However, it still has its noteworthiness in the eyes of investment.